Hi friends. Family is very important in everyone's life. Today I am going to tell you about my family. My name is Julie. I study in class 4. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, my elder brother and me. My father's name is Richard. He is an engineer. He is 37 years old. He comes home in the evening, and we talk about our day. My mother's name is Daisy. She is a homemaker. She is 36 years old. She helps me to do my homework in the evening. I have one elder brother. His name is James. He is 13 years old. He is studying in 8th standard. In the evening we play cricket together in front of our house. Sometimes in the evening, we all go out together. Last Sunday, we visited the nearby park. It was a very happy time with my family. I love spending time with my family. They make me feel happy and safe. Now, can you tell me about your family? I would love to listen to your story too. Thank you for listening my video.